Clear the table.
I clear the table after dinner.
Load dishes into the dishwasher.
I load dishes into the dishwasher.
Start the dishwasher.
Don't forget to start the dishwasher.
Wipe the table.
I wipe the table clean after lunch.
Clean the stove.
I clean the stove after cooking.
Clean the sink.
I clean the sink after washing the dishes.
Sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor every morning.
Mop the floor.
I mop the floor once a week.
Empty the dishwasher.
Please empty the dishwasher after it's done.
Put dishes into cupboards.
I put dishes into cupboards after drying them.
Prepare meals.
I prepare meals for the family.
Dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes after washing them.
Put away the dishes.
I put away the dishes after drying.
Prepare food.
I love to prepare food for guests.
Bake.
I bake cookies every weekend.
Fry.
I fry eggs for breakfast.
Boil.
I boil the eggs for 10 minutes.
Chop.
Chop the onions finely.
Slice.
I slice the bread before serving.
Dice.
I dice the tomatoes for the salad.
Peel.
Peel the apples before cooking.
Grate.
I grate the cheese over the pasta.
Season.
Season the soup with salt and pepper.
Clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen after every meal.
Wipe the counters.
I wipe the counters daily.
Take out the trash.
I take out the trash every night.
Make coffee tea.
I make coffee every morning.
Bake a cake pie cookies.
I bake cookies for the party.
Recycle.
I recycle paper and plastic.